Hello everyone. If you have watched my slipknot tutorial, now let's learn the magic ring. Another crochet basic every beginner must know. If magic ring confuses, you watch this. Wrap the yarn around your fingers twice to make a cross, as shown here. Now insert your hook under the second strand and pull the first strand through. Twist the hook slightly and pull up a loop. Remove your fingers gently and now chain 1 to secure the ring. Your magic ring is now ready to crochet into. Once your stitches are done, hold the stitches and pull the yarn tail gently. And your ring closes neatly like this. That's how you make a magic ring. Simple and very useful for amigurumi and round crochet projects. Follow me for more easy crochet tutorials. Bye. Happy crocheting.